Add a plane and in edit mode, scale it to match the rope. Add some loop cuts with Ctrl R. Select verts at both ends and press Ctrl G to assign them to a new vertex group. Enable cloth physics for this object and add the vertex group to the pin group. Also add vertices to hooks with Ctrl H, one end at a time. Make sure the hook modifiers are above the cloth modifier. Add a Surface Deform modifier to the rope mesh and bind it to the cloth object. Enable collision physics for any object that you want to interact with the rope. Bake the cloth cache, then test the simulation. You probably need to adjust the collision distance for better interaction. In the outliner, turn off render visibility of the cloth object before you render.